Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open Android Studio and ensure your project uses a matching package name, then create a Firebase project and register your Android app so Firebase can manage config. Once done, go to the Admob console and register the same app, creating at least one ad unit to get an app ID and ad unit ID. Make sure to copy the app ID. You will paste it into Android Manifest, XML in the next step. Now integrate the SDK and implement the core code. Add the Google Mobile Ads dependency to your app module build. Gradle and sync, then add the Admob app ID metadata to Android Manifest, XML, and ensure internet and network state permissions are declared. Next, initialize mobile ads. Initialize in your application class or main activity before requesting ads. After initialization, create an ad request, attach a suitable ad view or interstitial, and call load ad. Make sure to use your real ad unit ID rather than a test ID when ready to deploy. Finish integration by testing and handling common issues. First, enable test ads using test ad unit ID or add your device as a test device so you don't violate policies. Once satisfied, replace with production ID. Make sure to manage the ad view lifecycle. Pause and resume in on pause / on resume, and call destroy in on destroy to prevent leaks. If ads don't appear, check Logcat for mobile ads SDK messages. Confirm app ID and ad unit ID match the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.